Introducing the Hammelmann Aqua S1400 high pressure jetting trailer. Its perfect blend of power and efficiency delivers all your high pressure water jetting needs. Delivering a maximum operating pressure of 1400 bar and a flow rate up to 53 litres a minute, the Aqua S1400 is built to tackle the most demanding cleaning and surface preparation tasks, including hydrodemolition. The unit is powered by a 170 horsepower Deutz diesel engine, which meets the latest emission standards, along with the Hammelmann pump. The unit is usually used for hydrodemolition, tank cleaning, tube and bundle cleaning, as well as other high pressure activities. Equipped with the user-friendly latest ES4 controller unit, operators can easily adjust settings for optimal performance, making it a versatile tool for various cleaning challenges. From rotary nozzles and hose reels to specialised PPE, the Hammelmann Aqua S1400 unit offers a range of optional accessories, enhancing safety and versatility for any high pressure water jetting task. Whether you're completing remote 3D tank cleaning, tube and bundle cleaning or hydrodemolition, the Hammelmann offers the versatility and power you need for effective and efficient cleaning. With Hydroblast's extensive experience in the high pressure water jetting industry, we provide complete packages and support for all your industrial needs. Contact us today to find out how the Hammelmann S1400 can transform your operations.